Show you off in Lambos out on Collins. I be.
Hello friends, welcome to Everything You Need. Today in this video we are going to learn about current density. It refers to the density of current flow in the conductor. It is denoted by symbol J. In the field of electromagnetism, current density and its measure is very important. Frequently asked terms are displacement current density, which is represented by JD is equal to dou d by dou t, that is differentiation with respect to t of electric flux density. Conduction current density, which is represented by Jc, which is conductivity multiplied by electric field intensity. Displacement current, which is Id, which is equal to Jd multiplied by area of conductivity. And we know that del dot J is equal to minus dou d by dou t, which is volume charge density with respect to time. Now let us solve some examples based on this. Here is an example. If the electric field strength of an radio broadcast signal at a TV receiver is given by E is equal to 5.0 times cos omega t minus beta times y times AZ component in volt per meter. Determine the displacement current density. Displacement current density, that is JD. And if the same field exists in the medium whose conductivity is given by, here it is given conductivity, find the, which is represented by rho. Find the conduction current density JC. We know that we have to find JC. JC is equal to rho E. Here it is given rho and E, and he is asked to find displacement current density, which is JD. JD is equal to dou d by dou t. As it is given E, we need to find D from E. We know that D is equal to epsilon naught times E. So here is our process. First we need to find D, then we need to find JD, and we need to find JC from these terms. Let us solve. Here it is given E is equal to 5.0 cos of omega t minus beta times y into AZ. From that D is equal to epsilon naught times E is equal to 5.0 times epsilon naught into cos of omega t minus beta times y into AZ. This is our D. So we need to find displacement current density. JD is equal to dou d by dou t. Differentiation with respect to t, that is 5 epsilon naught. Here t is constant is omega. So omega, differentiation of cos would result in sin n of omega t minus beta times of y into AZ component, that is JD. Here we need to find JC also. We know that JC is equal to conductivity times E. Here it is given conductivity is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 3, and E is equal to 5 into 5.0 times cos of omega t minus beta times y in AZ component, that is equal to 10 cos of omega t minus beta times of y into 10 to the power of 5 in AZ direction. So we have find out our required terms, which is conduction current density and displacement current density, as per the question. In these problems, you need to read the question properly to get the answer very easily. Let us solve another example. Here is a question that in a medium of conduction current density given by J is equal to 3 times sine of omega t minus 10z ay component plus cos of omega t minus 10z in az direction milliamperes per meter square. Find the volume charge density, which is rho v. We know that relation between J and rho v is del dot J is equal to minus rho v by dou t. From this we are going to find the volume charge density. Let us write del dot J is equal to minus rho v by dou t. First of all, we need to find the del dot J. Del dot J is equal to dou by dou x of x component of the J, that is Jx, plus dou by dou y of y component in every component, that is dou by dou y of jy component, dou by dou z of jz component. Here it was not here it was having only ay and az component, so this term would be is equal to 0, jx term, and in the jy component here it was not having any term with the constant of constant multiplication with respect to y, so this term would also be equal to 0. In jz term we are having a term with a constant multiplication of minus 10. This would come out of minus 10, and we know that differentiation of cos would result in sine of omega t minus 10z az in direction. So del dot J is equal to minus 10 sine of omega t minus 10z in az direction. But we know that del dot J is equal to minus rho v by rho t. So let us cancel the minus. As we need only volume charge density rho v, let us apply integration on both sides. Integration on both sides with respect to t, as it was having with respect to t, that is integration with respect to t, dou v by dou t is equal to integration of t 10 sine of omega t minus 10z in az direction dou t dt. This is equal to rho v is equal to, we know that here 10 is constant, integration of sine would result in minus cos of, with respect to t, here t constant is omega, so omega would come out 10 omega cos of omega t minus 10z in coulomb per meter cube, as it is in volume charge density. Let us solve one more example for better understanding. Here is an example. This is a very good example, friends. Let us see. The parallel plates in a capacitor have an area of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square, and they are separated by 0.4 centimeters. A voltage of 10 sine 10 cube t volts is applied to the capacitor. Find the displacement current when the dielectric material between the plates has a relative permittivity epsilon r of 4. We need to find the displacement current, that is id. We know that id is equal to jd times a, but here it is not given jd, so jd is equal to dou d by dou t, we know that, and as we know that d is equal to epsilon naught e, that is epsilon naught times dou e by dou t, that is E means electric field intensity, so epsilon naught times electric field intensity would also be considered as voltage per displacement between them from the previous considerations. that is epsilon by d, which is constant, times dou d by dou t times v, that is here it is given that voltage is equal to 10 sine 10 cube t. So differentiation of v with respect to t, that is epsilon by d times dou by dou t, which is equal to 10 into 10 cube as it is the quotient for the t times differentiation of sine is equal to cos 10 cube t. Here it is given that it is relative permittivity, so epsilon naught is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r by d into this quotient 10 power 4 cos of 10 cube t. This is JD, but we need to find the displacement current ID, which is ID is equal to JD times A, that is we know that epsilon naught is equal to epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12, and epsilon r, which is relative permittivity, it is given that epsilon r is equal to 4 multiplied by area, which is given that 0.4 centimeters separation, 4 into, so this would all term is be equal to ID is equal to 35.42 into 10 to the power of minus 13 into this term, that is 10 power 4 cos of 10 cube t, which is equal to 35.42 cos of 10 cube t into 10 to the power of minus 9. This is a tricky question. Please solve it yourself for your better understanding. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Everything You Need. Thank you.